If you have some good amount of cash laying around and doing absolutely nothing for you, and you're looking into investing in venture capitals and other people's thriving businesses, I just discovered a straightforward way to do this and I thought to share. But disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. I am just sharing information, useful information. Okay? Now that being said, the platform we're going to be using to do this is called Flippa. On Flippa, you can sell and buy other people's businesses in a safe way. And I'm going to show you how to do this. But over here, we practice while we learn. So the links to Flippa will be in the description box. Click on it, sign up, and let's get started. And now we are currently in Flippa. And as you can see over here, you have a plethora of online businesses you can choose from. And you can buy a software, an app, you can buy a blog, a Shopify store, AdSense account, Amazon storefront, as well as a YouTube channel. Oh, sorry, this is an Amazon store, not a storefront. Now let's say we want to buy an Amazon store. Let's click on Amazon. You have a plethora of options, and also over here you can be more specific with exactly what you want. There are other things you can actually buy outside of the other things I mentioned. And here you can invest in people's businesses. So this is a marketing agency that costs 500 USD. Now this one's cost quite a good amount of money. Oh wow, I like this one. It says Golf Pay is an AI powered golf operating system, helping golf courses boost revenue and run more efficiently, built by and for golf industry. That this is something that people don't really look into. The real money is where there is high barrier to entry. Most people are not getting into golf and things like that. So yeah, you might want to look into such businesses. You just basically look for businesses that you are more conversant with, like you have clarity on what they do and how they can make money for you. So let's click on one of these investments here. View investment. We have to sign a non-disclosure agreement, which is one of the reasons I like this app. It protects both the buyers and the sellers. And let's click on inquiry now. You need to verify your phone number for that. So yeah, you have to put your ID card or passport to verify your number. Obviously, I'm not going to show you how I'm doing that because it contains too much personal information. But if you want to start the investment properly, you have to include all the details of these things. Proof of funds, obviously. They cannot just let you into the circle without you having money. That will be a waste of their time. You have to put your credit card, your phone number, your LinkedIn, and then you're good to go. Also, you can raise capital for a new business venture. So all these are already existing businesses that are looking to expand or grow their business and they need investments. But with this one, you can apply to actually raise capital for startups. And yeah, that's a whole big boys game entirely. You can click here to apply to raise capital, fill in all these details here, select the type of business you want to, what is your trailing 12 months revenue, what is your month-to-month revenue, what is your annual profit and loss, does your business have a registered entity in the United States, and have you previously raised in your company. So basically, this is something I discovered and I just chose to share because many people are looking for things like this, but they don't know how to go about it. This is a verified platform. It has been in existence for a long time. They have a way to protect both the buyers and sellers. You can actually also put your own venture capitals here for other people to invest in, as well as sell your own business. So yeah, get into it. The link will be in the description box. Now, while I would encourage you to invest, I would also advise you to do your due diligence before you get into any partnership. Ask as many questions as you want and can for clarity, okay? And make sure you share this video because there are so many people that would find this video useful. I already contributed to society. You need to contribute by sharing the video as well, okay? If this is your first time here, over here, I make videos about AI, business, tech, as well as content creation. So if you're interested in any of this, there will be one video linking you to this video here would link you to the business side, and this video here would link you to the AI and tech side. Make sure you give me a big fat thumbs up, click on the subscribe button, don't forget to share, and I'll see you in my next one. Till I come your way next time, I remain your one and only Jessica Okole. Bye. Mwah.